Hello everyone! Everything I'm going to show you in this video has been reviewed by the mechanics at the shop where I'm at right now, so relax. We're going to fix your car's issue together thanks to this info. If you're driving your Tesla and suddenly see the message cabin camera is covered or blinded, the first thing you might think is, did my interior camera cover itself? Don't worry, it's not acting up. The car is simply telling you it can't see the camera inside the cabin. Since many features like autopilot or FSD beta depend on it, the car alerts you until everything is back to normal. The first cause mechanics usually report is pretty simple: insufficient lighting. Yes, the camera needs some light to see what's happening inside the car. Many mechanics noticed that at night or in very dark areas, the message would appear even though nothing was physically covering the camera. Even turning on the interior reading lights can sometimes make the alert disappear, giving the camera something to recognize. Another factor that often comes into play is heavily tinted windows or low interior brightness, which can confuse the system. Some mechanics say that adjusting the screen brightness and reducing strong reflections made the message go away. It's also common for the alert to disappear on its own the next day or as outside light changes, which shows it's sometimes just a vision glitch rather than a real hardware problem. But not every case is about lighting. Some mechanics at this shop have had to replace the interior camera, especially if the infrared LEDs that help the camera see in the dark fail. In those cases, the message won't disappear even with adequate light, and a replacement under warranty is the only fix. Finally, there are situations where a software update or system reset solved the issue. Mechanics say that sometimes the camera is perfectly fine, but the software misinterprets the signal and triggers the alert. A reset or software reinstall can resync the camera with the system, and just like that, the message disappears.